What's the meaning of caboodle? Caboodle. Caboodle.
Caboodle. Caboodle. The word caboodle is a slang term that refers to the entirety of something, or a collection of objects. It usually implies a large quantity or a vast array of things. The word originated in the United States during the mid-1800s and has been used in everyday language ever since. Some synonyms for caboodle are whole shebang, kit and caboodle, and whole enchilada. Overall, caboodle is a fun and informal word that can be used to describe a wide variety of situations where there are a lot of things involved.